That right there is right handy. You just cut a toothbrush. This one I heated it and bent it, but you just cut it off about right here. Cut off the excess and heat the end of this with a torch till you melt it. Stick it right back to the back of that brush. It's right handy. Hi folks, in this video I'm going to be talking to my viewers and for Dan to keep from having any confusion between he and I, so he'll know what I've done. And this stuff right here, all this stuff is what I started with. Here's some gaskets and the riser that goes between here and the block. Here's a clutch, bearing, and everything. I had to find a key that's taped to the shaft. Here's the screw that holds the back of the tank to the cylinder. The other one is right here that goes inside of the oil tank. I'm speaking to Dan here on this. Let's see. The screw that holds this strap in place, and the keeper is right over here. That's a good muffler. That's the best muffler I had, low profile muffler. Here's all the parts for the linkages and so forth. Screws for the side cover, for the flywheel cover. It does not take this tight top over the carburetor. It takes McCulloch part 68807, which looks like this. There's some more parts right there. These are about the best side place for the bar I had. This one got a little crack in it right there. That was the best handle I had. Dan's got a flywheel cover, but I'm sending him this for him to paint up. I know he and his wife is going to make it extra special. There's a motor cover. That's a 3D printed new chip screen. I'm out of them. I got to order some more. This right here, these are hard to come by. This one is in excellent shape. It's in better shape than the one I got on my saw. So these on eBay, shipping and all, are like 77 bucks, believe it or not. And not easy to find. I'm sanding this top with that nut in it. This hole here is reamed out to where it's not going to hold the nut, so I'm just sending both of them to Dan. I found a new gas line in my pile. That's about it. I have made 5 trips to my pile and pulled boxes out of the shed and looked and looked and looked for the parts. So what I'm missing is the piece that goes over the carburetor, and Dan said he had a flywheel cover, and we don't have a 1010A clutch cover. So as far as I know, after going through this 5 times, that's what we're missing. So thanks for watching, everybody. This is my last vid on the Buckin saw of kindness, and they're going to Dan at Kain Kustom Garage. I'll put a link in the description for him, and he'll carry on with it. He and his wife will make it special for sure. So thanks for looking.